traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 27th, and this is my PM video where we like to take a look at the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold on the 1 hour time frame for a quick recap. If you haven't done so already, definitely make sure you check out my free Discord channel. It is 100% free to join. You never have to pay a dime. The link for that is at the end of this video up here in the corner and in the description. If you would like to join my membership, it is only $30 a month and it gets you access to all the benefits that are scrolling across the bottom of your screen. So anyway, starting off on the euro dollar. First of all, actually, let's take a look at the news because that is a very important habit to have. So tonight we have the Swiss National Bank chairman speaking at 9:25 p.m. UK time. So that definitely might end up moving the Swiss pairs. If you trade the Swiss pairs, keep an eye on them at that time. And then tomorrow, really, the only thing we got is a little bit of news in the New York session. We got durable goods and core durable goods. This S&P news doesn't really do a whole lot to the market most of the time, especially with the fact that it's forecasted exactly as it was last time. So probably won't be much of a change. And consumer confidence can sometimes move the market. So really, we get this Swiss news, and then tomorrow consumer confidence is probably the two major news events that I would want to keep an eye on. So, anyways, let's take it to the euro dollar. Not honestly, not really a whole lot happened with the euro dollar today. I mean, the market opened right here, it went down, it went back up. I was saying this morning if price breaks and holds below structure, then possibly you could start looking for sorts for wave B or wave 4. Now look what happened today. It broke structure, but it was almost instantly rejecting structure, and then it made another push up. This, like I said this morning, definitely still looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. So even if it does start to move down, it's probably going to be a very overlapping corrective pattern, kind of like this wave 2 for like a wave 4. And I think it's going to possibly go up again for wave 5. But it really doesn't even have to do this yet. I mean, this wave 3 is not over, and it could make higher highs, higher lows just to finish off this wave 3 before it even decides to make the wave 4 and the wave 5. Moving on to the pound dollar, really pretty much the same as the euro dollar for the most part, just a little bit of a different shape. Definitely still looks like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. This is even a better example how the market did make a little bit of a push down today, but it was able to make another higher low, another engulfing up. I guarantee that would probably be a nice little fib bounce if you put your fib on there. And then another push to the upside. Another good reason why the trend is your friend. So, anyways, even though I do think that this needs to end the wave 3 and make a wave 4, which will be similar to this wave 2 down here. It doesn't really necessarily have to do it now. I mean, it could go up and make more highs. Eventually, I do think it will make some sort of a correction like this wave 2 for wave 4, and then likely back up for wave 5, probably to break this high right here to take out the higher time frame structure. And probably still a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1 on like the daily time frame. So moving on to gold, all the metals actually made a really sharp move down today. If you look at, all the metals, the silver, platinum, palladium, and even copper made a big move down today. I want to go up to the daily time frame real quick just to show you, just in case you didn't see my video from this morning, which I'd suggest you do. We are at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of wave B, which should be your target for wave C. Nice and positive and golfing move down. I would like to see it break and hold below structure. It's probably not going to do it tonight, but maybe tomorrow. That should confirm that this is the end of a wave B, and we're looking at about 2,500 pips to the downside for wave C if this right here really is the end of the wave B. So anyways, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a pretty strong move to the downside. Definitely went all the way back down to structure. I would not expect this to just continue up if we get something like this, some sort of an A, B, C shape like this, and then a push up, then yes, that probably would go up and make a new high. But on the other hand, instead of it being an A, B, it's actually a 1, a 2, and then it pushes down very, very strong past all your Fibonacci extensions that you would expect for a wave C. That tells you that it's not a ABC, that it's definitely a 1, 2, 3, and that we definitely have the end of this wave B on the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you and happy trading.